Hello my lovely icons, how are you? I'm doing great. Today I am at another room, so background is changed. So how about this background? Let me know in the comment below, okay? So today is very interesting topic that I have, that is for those people who joined newly in an office or in an MNC. They have such problems that how to talk in English with colleagues in office. Yes, I think that you may have same problem, that how to talk in English with colleagues. That's why you click this video, right? Okay, I'm going to tell you a story of mine because I have got a job in an NGO sector and I have been doing a job in an NGO sector now for 6 months. So I have that experience how to talk in English with my colleagues. So I'm going to share my experience to all of you. Please stick to this video till the end so that you can gain a proper knowledge to deal with your colleagues. I know that, and also I have that personal experience that to speak with colleagues in English, it may be challenging sometimes because after all English is not your native language, right? And please bear with me with this disturbing sound because in my neighbor's house the construction is going on there, so please bear with me, okay? Avoid this like disturbing sound. Anyway, I have some proven tips from my all over experience so that I can share you how to talk in English with colleagues. First point you need to remember in your mind, that is start with simple conversations. Yes, start with simple conversations. You can talk about weather or latest news, or you can start your talking to the other person with greeting like good morning, happy Sunday, happy Monday. This kind of small talks you can talk with your colleagues. And discussing weather or latest news can help you build a strong rapport with your colleagues, believe me. And also simultaneously it will build your confidence. So remember the first point, that is start conversing with small talks or start conversing with simple talks. Second point you need to remember in your mind, that is listen actively. Yes, you have to pay attention to the colleagues, what they say during meeting or during their chats or discussions, because the more you observe them, the more you can grab that how they talk, how they deal with the colleagues, even boss. So listen and observe them carefully. Third point you should remember in your mind, that is use simple language. Yes, always try to use simple languages or simple talks so that you can communicate with your colleagues more clearly and concisely. And there is no denying that there should not be any misunderstanding. If you say or if you utter something like difficult words or difficult phrase, even idioms, sometimes it may not be understood by the colleagues. So try to be simple and honest and speak more simply. Always remember, simplicity is the best. Ask for help. Yes, don't be hesitant or don't be afraid of asking help from the colleagues. They will be likely happy to assist you, and this can build a good rapport, a strong bond between your colleagues and you. If you ask for any help from the colleagues, they will be very happy, by which you can give the value to your colleagues. So they will be really happy to help you, to guide you in a proper direction. So never be afraid of asking for help from your colleagues. And also don't forget to ask. If you don't understand what they say, don't forget to ask them. they will definitely appreciate your efforts, that you are willing to improve your spoken English. So they will definitely help you. Always remember, if you show the respect to the colleagues, you will get the return from them. And the last point, that is very important, be patient. Yes, be patient while learning a new language, because it must take a lot of time and efforts. So be patient. If you make mistakes, don't worry. Go ahead and learn from it. I think that mistakes and failures are the greatest teacher of you for all time. So remember that. Learn from it. Don't repeat mistakes, but learn from it. Every bit will count. Don't get discouraged if you make any mistake or struggle to find the right words in the right time. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. We are human. No one is perfect. So if you make any mistake, learn from it. It will take time, but it will boost your confidence. And always remember, keep practicing. You will get better over time. Yes, practice makes a man perfect, or practice makes perfect. So always remember. And whatever points I have shared to you, just follow that, because I have shared these proven points from my all over experience of 6 months doing a job in an NGO sector. So whatever I faced, I have shared to you, so that if you join in any office newly, you can go ahead without fear. So this is the wrap of the video. If you like this, please give a thumbs up, because it motivates me to upload a lot of videos to help you. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel Iconic INDRA. Hope to see you soon in another helpful video. Till then, enjoy English learning. Please share this video with your friends who join at office newly. This can be life-saving for them. So please share with your friends.